Our journey began in 2005, with just 30 passionate visionaries driven by innovation, precision, and excellence. Today, we are a global powerhouse of over 2,000 experts, leading breakthroughs in business process management, AI, ML, and geospatial technology. At SBL, success is a partnership, driving growth, inspiring innovation, and championing sustainability. Our mission is clear: solving complex challenges, creating impact, and building success together. At SBL, partnership drives everything we do.
At SBL, we're not just building technology, we're transforming lives. For me, the real reward is seeing our tools help someone rediscover their roots or connect with their heritage in a way they never thought possible. It's this intersection of innovation and humanity that makes this work so fulfilling.
For me, customer relations is not just about meeting expectations, it's about exceeding them. I believe in truly listening to our clients and understanding their vision. In genealogy, this means appreciating the deep emotional connection people have with their heritage and ensuring our services deliver value at every step.
For over 20 years, SBL have been the trusted partner of top genealogy organizations, libraries, and universities, preserving history for future generations. We deliver a diverse range of services worldwide, driving innovation and excellence across industries.
For over 20 years, we have worked with major genealogy companies worldwide, digitizing records in multiple languages: European, Scandinavian, American, and handling documents as old as the 16th century, including burnt and fragile records. For me, genealogy is deeply personal. It is not just about data or AI, it's about uncovering the stories that define who we are. Every record we preserve, every connection we uncover is a bridge between generations. It's this passion that drives me every day to ensure our work at SBL creates a meaningful impact.
We invest in the best talent, upskilling our team through expert-led training. With globally acclaimed genealogists and native speakers, we ensure precision in processing complex records and multilingual manuscripts. Trusted by leading genealogy organizations, we meet global standards with expertise across nearly every genealogy language. With a team of over 2,000 plus highly skilled transcribers, we specialize in indexing historical records dating back to the 14th century. Our advanced redaction tools ensure all data protection laws while handling fragile and multilingual documents with precision.
With high availability systems, continuous real-time backups, and comprehensive disaster recovery strategies, we ensure zero data loss and rapid recovery, even in the face of unexpected challenges. Our commitment to security and compliance, validated by esteemed organizations like the National Archives in London, has enabled us to secure multi-million-dollar projects on a global scale. Regular audits, rigorous penetration testing, and continuous system updates not only keep our defenses ahead of potential risks, but also attract partnerships with leading international organizations, further solidifying our position as a trusted name in the genealogy industry.
At SBL, our expertise extends far beyond genealogy. We collaborate with the Princeton University to uncover the origins of early human settlements, advancing the understanding of our shared past. For the University of California, Berkeley, we have transformed fragile historical records and ancient manuscripts into accessible digital formats. And with the Royal Botanic Gardens, we explore the impact of climate change through historic plant records, including the Darwin Touch specimens. Today, we are a trusted partner for many prestigious institutions like National Archives, herbariums, and museums across the globe. At SBL, we've transformed family history exploration, where AI and human expertise unite to ensure precision, affordability, and innovation at every step. Our advanced technology solutions integrate cutting-edge AI with expert human intervention to ensure precision and effectiveness. VisionMax breathes life into old degraded records, restoring clarity to even the most fragile images. Focus AI simplifies data extraction by pinpointing key details like names and dates within documents. TextIQ ensures precision in transcription by accurately extracting handwritten and multilingual text. Index Genius organizes records into searchable formats, making data easy to access and manage. TreeWeaver maps relationships and builds detailed family trees, connecting past to present. LinguaAI breaks language barriers by translating records while preserving cultural context. Finally, Geneaportal is your gateway to exploring family trees and uncovering personal histories. Anytime, anywhere.
I'm David Caudry, CEO and founder of Max Communications Limited. Max Communications, for the past 25 years, have been providing digitisation and archiving services, both to the heritage sector and also the life science sector. One project where we recently collaborated with SBL has been on the Royal Botanic Gardens Kew, where we've digitised over 7 million specimens and then we've extracted the metadata. SBL have a great knack of being able to decipher very complex data, often handwritten, and putting it into a standard format.
Hello, my name is Paul Nixon and I'm the director of a British-based company called Historic Records Limited. And I wanted to talk to you today about one of our key business partners that helps us achieve that feat. That's a company called SBL, who are based in India. We've worked with them on millions of records spanning hundreds of years, records going back to the 1500s right up until the present day. For the most part, the records tend to be in English, but for that matter, SBL have capabilities of transcribing records in multiple languages. So last year we worked on a big project which involved over 10 million records across Europe, and we're now about to embark on a very large project which involves the transcription of Cyrillic records.
India's rich genealogical heritage spans diverse communities and faiths, yet ancestral records often remain scattered and hard to access. But what if we could change this narrative? Enter Purvage.com, SBL's groundbreaking initiative. This isn't just about creating family trees. It's about digitizing the very essence of our cultural and ancestral identity. Purvage.com aims to tap into the unexplored depths of Indian genealogy, bridging gaps in historical data while celebrating the legacy of India's rich heritage. Advanced ancestral search, AI-powered family tree creation, digitization of historical records, immersive AR and VR experiences, social networking, kid-friendly tools. Purvage.com is a bridge connecting the global Indian diaspora to their roots, allowing them to rediscover heritage, engage in rituals, and pass on traditions. This project reflects SBL's commitment to preserving India's legacy, digitizing ancestral records for future generations.
For more than 20 years, SBL has pioneered the genealogy landscape, digitizing records with unwavering accuracy and the ability to serve virtually every language. But we've always known there was another level to reach. That's why right here at RootsTech we're unveiling a revolutionary leap forward in genealogy. At the heart of this breakthrough is our new pipeline, from digitization to creation of family trees, all while minimizing human intervention. How did we do it? By harnessing cutting-edge technologies like AI. It's fast, it's precise, and it's designed to transform how we connect with our past. There's more. We're deeply committed to shaping Indian genealogy, an area still waiting to be fully explored. Our answer is Purvage.com, a platform created to help the Indian diaspora rediscover and manage a 2,000-year heritage. We've already begun making a meaningful impact, empowering families to reconnect with long-lost rituals and traditions. This is just the beginning. Join us on this journey as we elevate genealogy to new heights, unlocking the stories of who we are and where we come from so we can shape a brighter future together.
Join us and make history digitally. At SBL, we bridge generations, strengthening family bonds and preserving heritage. Through technology and expertise, we help families reconnect with their past. Explore our innovations and join us in preserving history for a better future. SBL Knowledge Services. Preserving heritage, unlocking stories, empowering generations.